side because I find it works better that way.
Are we on?
Yes, we're on.
What happens at this point?
I don't know.
You're going to upload it unedited?
Yeah, probably. A trip down the canal from my visit to London.
This fellow who does the bit of my garden is called Gerry.
Yeah.
Gerry, he's Irish. He's a very nice fellow. He's quite old.
Yeah.
Quite young. Also. And to his gate.
You'll
Last
have to
time
go
we were
first.
here, he didn't have a gate. But there we go.
Oh yes, yeah, he didn't, did he? Because
I don't know why he has a gate, because there's only me and him have got access to the garden.
he doesn't want people going and filming.
And I'm the only one who's got the key.
Yeah.
Nobody else, even him.
Oh, he doesn't have a key either.
So.
Ah.
So you better walk down there.
Yeah, walk along. I walk along here. I'm going to show everyone.
These are all. Gerry's a bit of a royalist. All of these statues are inscribed to some royal person. Often a mistress.
Very artistic.
Or and makes all the stuff. Just the wall is in itself a work of art.
Yeah, all these little shiny bits and pieces here.
Everything has a purpose.
I bet they look lovely in the sun.
Especially where they go round and round.
Yeah, that's cool.
There's his garden. You can go up
It's really creative though.
His garden's up there. You can go up the stairs and have a look in.
As long as he doesn't yell at me.
Probably not to bed by now.
Really? There's a little army there.
Yes, it's an army of concrete soldiers.
Yeah.
This is him. This is Gerry. This is the fellow who made it. He's he just everything's. They collect things in the market and
Yeah.
people give them to him. Over the
That's
years,
true.
he's got a bit of a reputation as somebody who can give things to.
Hmm.
So these things that
So
get
you can
stuck,
turn them into art.
so he sticks them on the wall and turns them into art. He's been doing it for a long time. I think it started with one of these sculptures. I think it was like this fellow. And this is turned into a queen actually, but anyway, I think he inherited one of those many years ago, and then he decided to take it up as a hobby.
But it's cool because people who go down the canal can see all this.
Yeah,
Look over and see it all.
They can, but they have no idea what the story is.
No. But I suppose...
It's amazing the stuff you can see in Walworth Cove. Everything's here.
They might then think up their own ideas about it.
San Sebastian in Spain. I don't know who he is, but
He looks very serious.
he looks a bit sort of...
He reminds me of someone actually, I'm not sure who.
Like a bit like
Yeah.
one of the Rolling Stones.
He does a bit.
So all these people are here. So Thomas Osborne, Duke of Edinburgh, Devonshire. He hasn't got the Queen or anybody recent.
Hmm.
Goddesses, he's got a goddess here.
Yep, it's a goddess. It looks like the goddess is called Gerry though.
Well, you've got beautiful trees, I think. Claudius here, Emperor of Rome. And him. What's it? Gerry.
Yeah, I think last time we didn't go all the way down to this end because it was a bit dark, wasn't it?
I like this. It's fish. It's just called Fish Boy. He hasn't got any other.
Hooray for Fish Boy. I think Fish Boy is my favourite because he's got flowers.
Siamese one down there to finish it off.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's a bit topless. And
Yeah.
hidden behind there.
Yeah, that's why there's a bush in front so you can't see.
That's it.